Okay, this is a screen recording of me going into Blackboard and then SPSS, opening the file, saving it to the H drive, and then using Microsoft Word for copying and pasting. So as you can see, I'm in our folder for week 3. Here's our statistics data set. I'm in the Lab Anywhere right now, so I'm already there. So when I click on this file, oops, I got 2 copies, it will open. So I'm going to click on Open. And then usually you have to hit cancel. The first screen often will ask you a question and you just hit cancel, but I noticed it didn't come up here. So here's our data set. This is in data view, and sometimes you can be in variable view if you want to. If you want to see the labels that I've written for each variable, you could do that here. But most of the time we're going to stay in data view. And for this week, I've asked you to go up to Analyze and do Descriptive Statistics and Report Frequencies. And this is the column where you choose the variable that you want to report statistics on. So let's say you wanted to report on how much people love books. You would select that and use this arrow to move it to this column. And then select Statistics. And we're going to select the 3 measures of central tendency, mean, median, and mode, and then also to do standard deviation. And click Continue and OK. So here's your output. The question was, how much do you love books on a scale of 1 to 5? And what this information shows us is that the average love of books, the mean was 3.47, the median was 3, and the most frequent response was 3, with a standard deviation of 1.2. Anytime we report an average, we should always report the standard deviation too. Then this shows us the frequency with which people chose each option. So as you can see right here, the most frequent one that was chosen was 3. 5 people said that they love books. 11 people said that they love books at a 5, so that's the highest level. 3 people said that they love books at a 1, that's the lowest level. Okay, so let's say I wanted to copy and paste this to a Word document. I'm just going to go down here to the search thing and type in Word, and then it'll open up the application. Okay, so I'm going to click on here in my SPSS, I'm going to click there. I'm going to do on my Mac Command C, and then I'll go back, click on Word, open my Word document, and while I'm here I just do Command V and it pastes the output there. And then I can toggle back to SPSS. I just go down here to the bottom, click on the SPSS output. Yeah, it's hard to talk this morning. Click on Love Books, Command C for copy. Go back to Word, Command V for paste. Now when we do t-tests next week, the output may be excessively wide, so you can go up to, I think it's Layout, and you can change your orientation so that you have a landscape instead of portrait orientation. You just click on that. Of course, now it wants to do a configuration. But anyway, that's what you would do to display something that was excessively wide. Then what you would do after all of this is just to save the document. What I would do is save it to the desktop here of this PC and then email it to myself. So I might call this week 3 assignment or something like that, and then email that to myself. The other question that came up was, how to save it to the H drive. So let's say I'm in SPSS, am I saying that right? Here's my file, and I want to save that to the H drive. So I just go File, Save As, and then right here where it says Look In, that's where you click that chevron and tell it where you want to save it. I'll save it to the H drive, and I've already saved it there. So it's going to say, do you want to resave it? Yes. I will replace it. Now it's in my H drive. Okay. I hope that helps you. Let me know if you need anything else.